Welcome to the new tutorial on STAAD Pro Connect Edition. In this tutorial, we will see how to assign supports to the STAAD Pro Physical Modeler. This is the portal frame structure. First, the steps are as follows to assign supports. Firstly, we have to change the structure to front view. So we have to go to view tab and go to front view. Then we have to go to select tab and click on node cursor. As you can see, node cursor has been highlighted. Then we have to drag and select a node. You can see a red color has been shown on the node. It denotes that the node has been selected. Then we have to go to specifications tab. Then there are three options: fixed, pin, and custom. The fixed support shows that it is restrained in 3 transitional degrees of freedom and restrained in 3 rotational degrees of freedom. And the pin support shows that it is restrained in 3 transitional degrees of freedom. Uh, so firstly we will assign fixed support. So the fixed support has been assigned and click on assign to selected nodes. Assign, yes, click on close. You can see fixed support has been assigned. Next we will apply pin support. Same process, drag and select a node and click on pin support. Click on assign and assign to selected nodes. Assign, yes. Now change the model to isometric view. So you can see which members and nodes has been selected. Now you can see the structure in isometric view as the two nodes has been displayed as fixed support and two nodes has been displayed as pin support.